Technology in motion. Witness the power of modern engineering in action as machines conquer challenges. From cutting-edge precision to raw strength, this is innovation at its peak. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Let's dive right in. Ladders and chainsaws are a disaster waiting to happen. Thinking of trimming your trees like this guy? You might want to reconsider. This video makes a strong case for hiring a professional. Here is a tip that could save your life. Always triple your expected safe distance from a falling tree. It might seem like overkill. Nobody ever regrets being too careful. This truck driver has nerves of steel and skills that leave you speechless. Massive logs, hairpin turns, and steep slopes. This is no joke. Honestly, this guy has no idea what he is doing. No skill, no safety equipment, and no common sense. It is a miracle he walked away unharmed. Hauling timber is always a risky task regardless of location. Drop a 1 in the comments if this amazed you. Your support keeps us going. Not sure if I should call this guy a pro or a daredevil. What do you all think? Watch as the tree removal machine effortlessly pulls each tree from the ground. One by one, each root is gently loosened and lifted, making the entire process smooth and efficient. No hassle, no mess, just fast, easy tree removal. Whoa, that was intense. Good thing no one got hurt. He rides low gear, steady as it goes with a nice grunt sound. There is something raw and powerful about a diesel engine sound. Wow, that was intense. It really reminds us of nature's raw power and how we are always at its mercy. Track 1000 features a high-performance engine and a specialized tire setup designed for maximum traction on ice and snow. Even in extreme winter conditions, watching the MB Track 1000 in action is truly impressive. Moving and unloading wet firewood is no easy task. It is heavy, unstable, and puts serious strain on machinery. This Scania, though, is built for the challenge. With a solid chassis and powerful hydraulics, it can handle the weight and ensure a controlled dump. This proves why having the right tool is key for the job. Nature's raw power is truly astonishing. It really puts things into perspective. reminds you how small we are in comparison. Wow, I have never seen anything like this before. It split that massive beech log in seconds. The speed and precision are incredible. Drop a 1 in the comments if this blew your mind. Your support keeps us going. Hang on to your hats, folk. This ain't your grandma's skidder. This thing's a beast, ready to wrestle those trees into submission. This is like a ballet. These guys are experts, handling those cedars with absolute precision. It is amazing how slow and steady they go. But that is the way to do it properly. No shortcuts here, just pure skill and patience. This oak tree is massive, standing at 30 feet long, with a trunk over 4 feet thick. Without the right equipment to transport it, you have to improvise. This guy is using a U914 and a C360, which is a clever approach. Honestly though, adding weight to the front of that C360 would be a smart move. It would improve fuel efficiency and pulling power. This video gives a real appreciation for the tough job logging truck drivers face. Navigating treacherous roads with a full timber load makes it no surprise that accidents happen. Mud, snow turn even a simple trip into a serious challenge. When evaluating a truck, it is about the complete package. Payload capacity matters, but so does the drivetrain. How much torque does it have? And let's talk about that suspension. It needs to handle rough terrain. This ZIL truck checks all the boxes. When a driver trusts his machine, that is when you see real performance in action. Man, that was close. This guy has more luck than judgment. Seriously, a small excavator for a tree this size with no hard hat. Go ahead. Hey. All right, go. You are clear, go on. Keep moving. He is lucky to be walking away unharmed. Someone really needs to talk to him about safety. That is how it is done. Imagine this, a perfect blend of power and precision in action. This is not just any circular sawmill. This is your partner in turning raw logs into endless possibilities. Its 7.5 kilowatt motor drives a 450 millimeter blade slicing through wood as smoothly as a hot knife through butter. It is as user-friendly as your favorite smartphone. This HMT excavator is putting in serious work. That root stock is stubborn, but the excavator is not backing down. And there it is, the entire tree, roots and all, completely pulled out. This log splitter changes the game, turns a tough job into something effortless. If you have ever spent hours swinging an axe or a splitting maul, you know the struggle. Now splitting wood is actually fun. Picture a busy timber yard in Finland, where efficiency is everything. You will find the Senobican 830M Trailer E-Series handling the workload. Imagine a powerful machine, effortlessly moving massive logs. This is no ordinary machine. It is a beast pulling a 69-ton trailer. and with its precise 0.5 square meters timber grab, it works like a skilled hand, grabbing and placing each log with precision. This tree posed a real threat, and dangerously leaning over the road. Its collapse would block access or lead to a major accident. Removing it immediately was the only solution. That 980H is a real beast. These machines can move mountains of timber. They are built to endure, handling almost anything thrown their way. But credit goes to the operator as well. Handling this machine requires real expertise. They make it look effortless, but it is not. So the bank needs about $4,000 monthly in payments, just for fuel costs. Running these is not cheap. Massive pine trees, towering for decades, are vulnerable to fire damage, weakening their root systems and trunks, making them prone to collapse. Strong winds or heavy rain can bring them down, posing serious dangers to people and property. Evaluating and removing fire-damaged trees is a tough but necessary choice. The Dallin 2054 is an absolute powerhouse. Fully hydraulic one-handed operation. Make cutting through logs effortless. Its smart design handles twisted wood easily, and the automatic chain lubrication ensures smooth operation in any condition. While that is an intense job, these workers are facing steep inclines and enormous trees. They are equipped with high-end tools, chainsaws, rigging gear, and safety harnesses. Everything needed for the job. They carefully cut sections of the trees, lowering them down the slope with precision. One mistake could have serious consequences. If you need a forestry machine that delivers comfort, performance, and durability, the Cat 5-to-B is a great option. Its elevated cab provides an excellent view of the work area, while air suspension and heated seats offer all-day comfort. Plus, with powerful hydraulics and legendary Cat durability, this machine is built for endurance, a true workhorse, designed for years of reliable performance. This MJ3025 multi-rip saw is a game changer, cutting multiple boards at once, like slicing through butter. The speed and precision are next level. I found out that it handles boards up to 300 millimeters wide and 50 millimeters thick. It makes you wonder how those blades are designed to remain so sharp and precise, a true feat of engineering. Ever seen an excavator take on a tree? These guys skipped the chainsaw and put the excavator to the test, as if to say, can this machine handle it all? Let us see, and you know what? It is strangely captivating to watch. Gotta say, this is one awesome homemade project. A Littlewood splitter, powered by a washing machine engine. That's so cool, you'll want one for yourself. But hey, maybe skip the gloves, okay? They could get caught in that drill, and that would be bad news. The Europe Chippers EC12 90800 HP is a high-capacity wood chipper designed for demanding forestry operations. Its Caterpillar C18 engine delivers exceptional power, enabling processing rates of up to 250 cubic meters per hour. The innovative Venturi system optimizes chip quality and minimizes dust generation, enhancing both efficiency and environmental performance. Now let me tell you about the Rapido Loco 20. This ain't your grandpappy's wood splitter. This baby's got a 73 horsepowered Deutsch diesel engine that'll make those logs sing. And with a 50-inch carbide tip saw, you'll be cutting through wood like butter. It's got all the bells and whistles too. An 8-way wedge, a 30-foot conveyor, and a hydraulic lift deck. This machine is the real deal, folks. It's fast, efficient, and built to last. The Hitachi Zaxxas 200 excavator demonstrates exceptional efficiency. Through its optimized design and attachments, the Ripper Tooth attachment enhances productivity in land clearing and excavation tasks while minimizing fuel consumption. This focus on resource optimization contributes to both economic and environmental sustainability. In a seamless display of precision and power, the industrial wood cutting machine comes to life. A skilled worker carefully selects and places each log into the machine, ensuring only the finest wood is processed. With effortless efficiency, the sharp blades slice through the timber, producing perfectly even and smooth cuts. Every motion is precise, every cut is flawless, a testament to cutting-edge technology and expert craftsmanship. This is high-level wood processing. The Pizzolato PTH1200-1000M is an absolute powerhouse. Runs on a strong 656 horsepower Scania DC16071A diesel engine. It delivers a max chipping diameter of 700 millimeters and a massive 12 by 700 millimeter in feed opening. The 1000 millimeter drum, paired with a 1200 millimeter width and a robust feeding chain, measuring 1200 by 1440 millimeters, delivers an hourly throughput of 150. Look at this decayed stump. A breeze for this Woodcracker, right? But here is the real debate, which is better, shipping or burning. Let us hear your take while you think about it. Shipping reduces wildfire risks by clearing debris. It also creates reusable materials for other uses. So what do you think is the real benefit? I have seen these Hyper 765 wheel carried debarkers in action, and they are incredible. The 7.5 meter crane provides amazing reach, and the built-in hydraulic system saves a ton of time. I have seen operators set them up in minutes. They only add about 200 kilograms to the tractor, which is a huge advantage. You do not need a massive tractor. Even a 70 horsepower model works well. It makes the whole process way smoother. Take a look at this. Who has ever struggled with a stubborn tree stump? You know how tough it can be. But this Bandit to 650T makes it look easy. This 1 meter conifer stump will be completely gone in minutes. San Rosendo, a picturesque town in southern Chile, plays a crucial role in the regional forestry sector. This small yet bustling community serves as a key transport hub where major roadways intersect. Its prime location makes San Rosendo an essential part of the forestry supply chain, streamlining timber transportation. Need to clear land fast and efficiently? The Volvo EW180E is the ultimate land clearing machine, featuring powerful hydraulics that make felling and removal effortless, with a durable undercarriage ensuring stability on rugged terrain. This beast delivers unmatched efficiency. Even the toughest stumps stand no chance against the EW180E, making land clearing smoother and quicker than ever. This land clearing machine, a forestry mulcher for excavators, is a relentless powerhouse, capable of handling any tree in its path. Grinding it down into mulch, its strength is remarkable. This log and soil road construction method is a time-tested technique ideal for terrain with elevation changes and challenging landscapes. By using readily available materials, such as logs and soil, it provides a cost-effective way to access remote locations. The logs create a solid foundation, effectively distributing weight, while the compacted soil forms a durable, driving surface. However, it is important to recognize its limitations in terms of longevity and its ability to withstand extreme weather conditions. After heavy rainfall in Hakuzan, Ishikawa, fallen tree removal becomes a priority. This task is about more than clearing roads. It is about public safety and restoring daily life. Fallen trees pose major hazards, especially on major highways. But there are challenges: high-volume, tough conditions, and limited access. Modern machinery plays a vital role, reducing manual labor, speeding up the process, and most importantly, keeping cleanup crews safe in harsh conditions. Wow, just incredible, unbelievable. Man, that bird tree is in rough shape. Looks like a storm knocked it down and left it hanging. Check out how the trunk split. That makes it really unpredictable. His saw is stuck. What is he gonna do now? Whoa, that is a bold move. Maybe a bit risky, but I guess he knows what he is doing. Finally got that beast down. That was close. Ever wondered how they get rid of those massive tree roots without tearing up everything? I found this amazing technique. Imagine a water jet so strong it cuts through solid wood. These specialized HD systems operate at an incredible 500 bars pressure. When that nozzle digs underground, it is like a magic wand breaking down roots. What is even cooler is how precise it is, causing minimal disruption to the area. Check out this brilliant setup, a Multitech 1620 SS. There is more. Someone cleverly added a custom tumbler. Imagine how much simpler that makes handling wood. And the best thing is, customers receive a flawless load. It is a smart idea that gets people talking. Who designed this, and where can I get one? Ever struggled with a tough stump? Which is why I am amazed by wood devil cone splitters. They are like the champions of wood splitting. Picture a twisting cone, spinning with a unique double thread, ripping through even the thickest trunks. It is mesmerizing. From DIY projects to serious forestry work, they have got a splitter that even mounts on excavators. It is not just about power, it is smart engineering. What you are watching is the future of railway-type processing. This Pendu system is not just an automated assembly line. It is a masterpiece of precision engineering. It starts with the trim saw, ensuring exact dimensions, crucial for perfect trackage. Next, the curve saw creates a precise alignment groove, guaranteeing proper rail positioning. Manual marking is outdated. The stamper does it all. The incisor increases preservative absorption, significantly extending tie lifespan. Lastly, the plating station applies those crucial tie plates for rail stability. Before the multi-tier sorter arranges everything for transport. Check this out, a Tiger Cat 1075B. A true workhorse stuck in deep mud. Imagine the situation: wheels spinning, mud flying everywhere but no movement, completely stuck. Talk about a rough day at work. Who else has been there? Luckily, a tractor came to the rescue and pulled it free. Just a reminder, we all need a hand sometimes, right? This is seriously impressive. A custom-built firewood processor, powered by a 64 horsepower VW Caddy engine. That is true innovation at its best. Integrating 3 hydraulic circuits demonstrates a deep grasp of mechanics, and engineering using an HW60 substructure adds both durability and balance for a stable and long-lasting machine. This is not just about function. It makes a bold statement, showing what skill and dedication can create with effort and a little backyard creativity. Even in the harsh Siberian winter, the logging industry in Tomsk's Pervomaysky district remains fully active. Trucks loaded with freshly cut timber push through the ice and snow, braving treacherous routes. This Pizzolato PTH 1401000 is an absolute monster with its 1150 horsepower Cat engine, delivering serious power for high-demand tasks. A processing rate of 300 cubic meters per hour lets it handle enormous amounts of wood with unmatched speed and efficiency. Its massive drum size allows it to process logs that other shredders would struggle with, perfect for high-volume forestry production. Is a serious challenge, especially in remote regions with poor infrastructure. But these Belarus tractors get the job done. Their rugged build and powerful engines allow them to handle rough terrain and haul massive loads. But that road is definitely taking a hit. Hopefully they plan for repairs after this demo. Oh wow, this is hands down the best splitter design I have seen. It is simple, requires just one motion, eliminates multiple safety concerns, and is fast. Brilliant work. In this impressive display of efficiency, heavy logs are effortlessly lifted by helicopter, soaring through the sky with ease. Each log is carefully secured and transported with precision, reaching its destination in no time. The operation runs like clockwork, fast, smooth, and perfectly coordinated. No delays, no obstacles, just seamless transportation from start to finish, ensuring the job is done quickly and efficiently. This machine is truly impressive. The SP8018 grinder effortlessly tackles massive tree stumps, turning them into valuable biomass, capable of processing stumps up to 160 cm. Its sheer power and efficiency are mind-blowing. It makes you appreciate the engineering behind it. How they designed such a beast is truly remarkable. Owning one of these will set you back anywhere from 50 grand to 100 grand. This is a great example of an efficient wood splitter. The builder used a 3-phase, 5 kilowatt motor for maximum output, and the large wheel diameters, 12 centimeters on the engine, 21 centimeters on the reducer, provide excellent mechanical efficiency. With a cycle rate of 20 splits per minute, it is both productive and safe. This machine reflects the builder's skill and precision engineering. While this wood chipper does its job well, safety concerns should not be ignored. Installing guards or shields to protect the operator from flying debris and the cutting blades is crucial. Having emergency shut-off switches within easy reach is a must. Prioritizing safety not only protects workers, but also improves productivity, creating a more efficient workspace. Here, we see the crane at work, skillfully removing a tree stump with ease. First, it begins by digging around the base, carefully loosening the earth to expose the stump. With perfect precision, the crane's powerful arm lifts the stump from the ground, effortlessly extracting it without disturbing the surrounding area. Once the stump is removed, the crane smoothly fills the hole, restoring the site to its original state. Every step is executed flawlessly, with no delays, just a smooth, efficient operation from start to finish. This is not just a wood processor, this is a game changer. The Pezzolato TLC13 features a 13mm cutting disc, capable of handling logs up to 520 millimeters thick. But the real innovation, integrated splitting, cutting and splitting in one seamless motion. With 45 tons of splitting force and a 45 kilowatt electric motor, this machine processes even the toughest wood, maximizing productivity while minimizing waste. Handling massive amounts of scrap metal in a tight port environment is no easy task. You need power stability and adaptability. That is where the Senebigan 875E crawler proves its worth. Its crawler tracks provide excellent grip, ensuring stability on uneven terrain. Customizable booms and grapples mean it can handle a variety of materials and operational needs. For mid-river terminals, this boosts efficiency and reduces downtime. A win-win situation. This historic mill and box factory is like stepping into the past. Seeing these steam-powered machines still running is like watching history in motion. It is truly a sight to behold, a tribute to the ingenuity and perseverance of past generations. You know what is fascinating? These old logging machines carry incredible stories. Picture this: the same gear your grandfather used, still going strong today. It is like seeing history in motion. And the best part, they are not just museum relics. They are still putting food on tables, keeping local economies alive. This is unbelievable. The Vermeer 630A is a true David versus Goliath machine in the forestry world. Watch how this compact beast takes on a stump far larger than itself and wins. A perfect example of power and efficiency, showcasing brilliant engineering at its finest. Thank you for watching. We truly appreciate you taking the time to watch our video all the way to the end. Your support means a lot to us. If you enjoyed this content and want to see more, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. By subscribing to Heavy Tech Zone, you'll never miss out on our latest episodes and exciting updates. Stay tuned for more amazing content, and thank you for being a part of our journey.